Me and Lacey both, she gave me the hiccups and she still has hers. So we're both sitting out here hiccuping. I hate the hiccups. I won't give up. Oh.
Hiccups in the same damn sentence. I'm too tired for all this.
Stop, hiccups. Stop it.